It's Ivy, and welcome to the Coupon Cap. Well, today I am doing a Michael's unboxing, and the reason why I'm doing it is because it's some things in there that you probably should take out of there. I kind of waited a couple of days because if you saw my Michael's video, that got deleted. I'm going to do a video on that. Then you'll see that I bought 5 boxes. So 2 of them is still here. One is downstairs. Actually, I opened up and was like, oh my God. So I want to do the other 2 on video so that you can see. You probably need to open the boxes up, okay? If they have the same thing in them. I have not opened these, as you can see. So let's get moving. Okay, so this box is super heavy too. Just to let you guys know. I don't want to make this video too long, so let's start getting it done real quickly. And I kind of can't find my scissors. That's why I popped them up here and all of a sudden they dismissed themselves. So, in the first box, look at that. That's in the first box. And it's more of Christmas ornaments. These have smells to them, potpourris with smells on them, ribbon wraps. So those ornaments, I take it that it's a lot of Christmas stuff down up in here, which I kind of figured that because it is. We are coming up for the Christmas season. Gift boxes, well worth the $5 that we played into it. Look at that. And I was going to buy this, and this was in here. It was in here. This thing is originally $24. And look at that. So, okay. Okay, and this is another gift box. It was originally $14. Look at these. Oh, plates. And they don't have a price on it, but I don't know what they were originally. Oh, yes, they were $2.99. So plates, Christmas plates, that's what those are. If they got any of them down in here. If not, then I'll go get the other box. See? Puzzles. Potpourri. These. Oh, look. Christmas tags. You got more ornament cookie wraps. Okay, so maybe that was just that box. So a lot of this is this stuff. Lots of Christmas ornaments. Now, some people said that they didn't feel like that was worth it. I thought it was because I buy a lot of Christmas stuff. So now I know this year, purge your box and go through it. So this one did not have the stuff in it that I thought it would have in it. Actually, what I had in the first box was a lot of food. So that is a big problem I had. And when I say food, I had peanut brittle in there that expired in June of this year coming up. It was crushed candy in there. I think the crushed candy lasts into next year. And I am so in love with this. Man, I feel like I hit the jackpot just with this alone. So that's what was in that box, that first box that I opened. And so I'm like, oh my God, I need to open up those boxes. And then when I asked my mom had crushed candy in hers. And she was like, yeah, make sure you check the expiration dates. They wasn't expired, but they would have expired before Christmas. So that's why I decided to unbox it. I'm sure. Okay, so let's put this box to the side because as you can see, we did not find anything in this box that we thought should have been removed. Some stuff in that box. So let's put that one to the side because it wasn't anything in that box that needed to be removed. But like I said, in the first box, it was food. So let's look at this one, which some of the boxes did come in white. And someone asked me, was it a difference? No, I didn't see a difference in the boxes. This come out a couple of times a year, like, and they still have boxes. So I kind of like grab them when I can. So this is the second box, grab bag box right here. And I want to make sure you are looking at the box. That's why. Okay. Again, Christmas ornaments. I am so delighted. Look at those. Those are the little mushrooms. I'm glad I didn't buy those. Because I was looking at them in my Michael's video and I was going to buy these. Thank God I didn't. So this box is stuffed to the brim, first of all. So you got that. That's like a little, you make that. Another one, you make stockings. Christmas raffia. Oh, what's that? Easy patterns. They patterns. Ah, there it is. Candy. Sweet Tooth Fairy. So this is candy, and it is expired 9/21/22. So the candy, this candy right here, which you sprinkle on other stuff, it is not expiring as of yet. So you do have a year for this to expire. More than a year, actually. So there's one pack of candy. All the little elves on the shelves. Okay. Tiny treasures. All the little, some of the things is things I was going to pick up along the way and didn't because I thought they were too expensive. These little trees was one to make a Christmas village out of it. But now they probably could be earrings. Gift card holders. So all gift card holders. What is this? The Candyland game, but it's unicorns. It's for Christmas. All the stuff I can give away. Another 3D box. Okay, that's a 3D box. And it lights up supposedly. So I guess if I put batteries in it, it'll light up. Originally $14. Again. Now, let me tell you how you preserve these. Put them in a plastic Ziploc bag, because that's what I did with mine that was in my other box. Put them in a plastic Ziploc bag really tight. And when it's time for you to use them again for the holiday, you can either damp them and put them on like the heaters and it'll blow back out the smell weird. Or you could buy that pine cone scent and spray it on there, and then it'll bring the scent back out. I do it every year. I never throw mine out. I throw mine out after a couple of weeks. See these? These babies are actually $14, and that's that ribbon roll. So, more ribbon roll. Small ribbons. I'm a big crafter, a DIYer, so that's perfect for me. These ribbons, oh God, I'm pulling the ribbon all loose. Okay, Santa's big, a lollipop. See that candy is up in here. And let me see, does it have an expiration date? I do not see one. Oh yes, I do. 4/25/21. That's why I told you to go in. Some of this is expiring up in here. You don't want to eat that. Here's another one. Small hooks. What's this? Some of those clear ornaments. Okay. Unicorn region. Make one of those 3D Fabergés. This make another Fabergé. And here's another fabric. Now these are $12. Some of them are, yeah, they $12.99. more ornaments. Look at that. Plates. And all the plates you can get. So these two boxes did not have the stuff that was in that first box, which was a lot of candy. Oh, that's darling. Look at that. And this was $19. So some of it did not have what was in that other box. I did take that candy out of there. In fact, I think it's in my refrigerator. It was peanut brittle. So those were the two things that was up in that box. Like I said, go in your box because a lot of it was food. So this box only had that. That other box I opened didn't have any in there, which was actually a good idea because you do not want to get stuck on these boxes and then you open up and you got candy in there that's expired. And you know how kids is, my kids, at least boys, they get to it, they definitely gonna try to eat it. So just try and be careful when you bag so that you can go in and get the stuff out of there. What did I think these boxes worth it? Definitely, I did think they were worth it because I shop a lot for the holiday and I do a lot of decoration. I'm probably in Michael's at least once a week, and I'm just a crafter, so I stay in there. I'm a couponer, I shop, I do shopping vlogs, so that's why you see me, you know, do a lot of these shopping videos. And so I buy a lot of stuff. And I do see where some things could have been way cheaper. You'll hear me say, that's not worth it. That type of thing. That's my true opinion. Sometimes I just think something is not worth it. But other than that, guys, this is these boxes. I think they're worth it, especially if you are a big crafter, a big person that buy a lot of Christmas stuff. Then yes, these boxes are worth it. Now, if you are not, you're not going to be happy with these boxes because they don't have what you want in it. Now, this is my suggestion. In June, summertime, before that, they'll have more $5 boxes. That's when you go and grab a lot of boxes because then you're going to see a lot of artwork, a lot of spring stuff. You have coffee mugs in there. I've had planners in mine. So many things that's up in there that you can buy because it depends on the season. So you're going to see Easter stuff in some boxes. And, you know, some people are not big Easter fans. So don't get those boxes because you kind of can figure out what's in there by what the season is, okay? So I hope you all enjoyed this unboxing. Make sure you guys hit like and subscribe and share this channel, guys. Share. Because I am building on my brand, so you will see a lot of new and different things on this channel, okay? But don't forget, I am a couponer, so you will always see couponing videos, you will see shopping videos, and you will see unboxing videos. But now I will be doing some educational videos because I think that that's basically what a lot of people come to this channel for. And I want to give you exactly what you asked for. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. Bye.